Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So I have some coins here that I bought recently on an auction. It's one of my favorite coins, and I hope you like this one, because I like these sort of coins. These are the 1 pennies from UK. I had a lot of it, but I just can't pass on this one because it have the old ones, and it also have varieties like half penny and Farthings. So, and it have a cheap price as well for the whole lot of it. See, it's a lot of them. See, I can see right away that you see the parting. From UK 1942, see a bird, and it is also in a very good condition, very nice. And these are half penny from 1932, and King George V. So it have some varieties that I like. And I think this is King William IV or King George V. I think it's King William IV, I think, and it's a Hibernia. So this is an Irish penny or Irish half penny. I think it's a bit smaller. See? Oh, probably a penny, I think. And I think this is from what? 1781 or something like that, or 18 something. It's a bit faded. 18. I can read the other ones, the other letterings, but it's an Irish coin, old one. And this one is another those bird, and this one look very nice patina, and it is from 1919. Very nice patina on this coin. It's a lovely coin. This one, I don't know about this one though. I think I have it as well, but it's faded, same like this. I think this is a token. Yes, I think it's an old token, but it is a bit worn to see. This one, I think, I don't know, King George III or King William. I'm not sure. It's faded as well. Too bad some of it are faded. Like this one. This one is a cartwheel penny, but it is also worn, and at some point it's a pendant. And another one of that same thing, token. Faded, very faded. This one as well. This one have you can see this one, King George III from 1807. You can still read this one. Still nice. Okay, this is King Edward VII. So, and this is from 1908. King Edward lasted only for 10 years, so he don't have a lot of coins in his name. So, and this one, it's a bit worn as well. See this one. Another King George III faded. Oh, what? How can it be? Oh wow. Okay. Why it have probably someone made it like this, because we have both overside. See, it's funny. I don't know if it's can see properly I can see properly if it's been attached. But as you can see, both are oversized, and it's from 1807. I'm gonna do research on this one. What about these ones? One is still worn, but it's Queen Victoria, old Queen Victoria halfpenny. Anything else? This one, 1912 parting. This one have another patina as well. Shiny one from 1938 parting. This one, King George the Fifth, 1917. We go to this one is the Queen Victoria, the last. I think this will be the last. This is her last portrait. It is 1900 or 1901. I think it's 1901. 18 something. I'm wearing my glasses, but I still can't see it properly. 1897. So the veiled portrait of Queen Victoria, King George the Fifth. There are some pennies that are very rare. I just have to do research on some of those. I don't even know. Maybe I'm hoping I have one already. I think the rare one was 1930 or 36. I'm not sure though. So King Edward, 1908. King Edward VII. This one, 1938. King George VI. This one, it's also King Edward. (1907) parting. This one is the young portrait of Queen Victoria. Too bad it's too faded to see, but I see the ship and I see the lighthouse on the other side. Just it's faded, 18 something. It's too faded though. Yep, King George the Fifth, King Edward, 1907. Come on, give me some more. Yep, just that it's a bit faded, but it's 1862. 1862. Also 1862. Oh, look at this. They have a nice patina. Although it's I don't know, it's probably just cleaned, that's why, but it looks very good. Oh, this one. Oh, this one's very good. 1913. Very nice. Looks like uncirculated, or maybe nearly uncirculated. Anything else that could it's another good shiny one. 1903. Edward VII. Okay, so these are the halfpennies. Queen Victoria from 1876. Looks nice. It's a bit rough, this one. Okay, another shiny one, 1903. See, another thing. 1880. 1886. It's a halfpenny. Another parting. Right. See. Oh, okay. It's Queen Elizabeth. It's 1958. Halfpenny. Looking for some more Victoria. Here we go. It's a bit worn. Oh, it is worn. Let's see what else. This one is, see, it's a Victoria halfpenny. Just that it is too worn to see the inscriptions. Some more here, but I think see any more odd one. Okay, this is another Queen Victoria. It's 1900. It's a bit faded though. And okay, this one. It's a lot of it. This that I'm not gonna be okay. Just wanna say I'm not gonna look for it one by one. Let's see another young portrait of Queen Victoria, and it is from 1885. Looks nice. Queen Victoria, 1885. See a few more. Maybe you can see a few more Queen Victoria. Oh, okay, this is one more. Maybe we get a nice one from 1891. Still look alright. Okay, where is it? Some more. Okay, it's another Queen Victoria halfpenny, 1886. Sure there'll be more, but oh wow. Okay, one more, last one, the veiled head, and it's from 1901. These are the last coin of Queen Victoria, the year 1901. So got one, this lot. Okay, I think I don't want to bore you enough to look for all of it. So yeah, one of my favorite coins. So I hope you like this coin, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stuff. And thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.